Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and check the balance for your Apple gift card. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you want to go ahead and open up your App Store right here, and inside your App Store, you could just go ahead and click on your profile icon. You could go ahead and see that at the upper right corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click on it, and once inside, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the redeem gift card or code. So just go ahead and click on it. And then inside, you will then be able to use your camera, so you could go ahead and scan the code, or you could enter the code manually. But let's just go ahead and say that you are not ready to use your gift card yet. You just want to go ahead and check your balance. So let's go ahead and open up our browser right here, and then inside you want to go ahead and type for Apple gift card. Right here you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the official website of Apple, which is the gift card apple.com. So just go ahead and click on it. And inside you will then have the option to buy gift cards, and you want to go ahead and actually scroll down until you find the check balance option. So just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on the check balance, you will then be prompted to this page right here, where you could go ahead and enter the pin for your gift card, and you will go ahead and check the balance from there. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.